Carolina, Lee County in central South Carolina, East Central Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Chesterfield County.
Is this it now? Finally. Took long enough.
Thunderstorm Watch number 726, effective until 5 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in South Carolina: Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Marion, Marlborough, and Williamsburg. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for